From the KBIA Newsroom in Columbia, I'm Trevor Grandin. The Missouri Health Department has confirmed federal officials are now investigating the state as part of a nationwide cyclosporiasis outbreak. But as Sarah Fenton reports from St. Louis, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention has not yet publicly announced the change.
A spokeswoman for the Department of Health and Senior Services says officials have expected Missouri would be added to the outbreak for weeks. Health workers have reported more than 1,000 cases of the infection in the state so far this year. Cyclosporiasis is caused by eating produce contaminated with a microscopic parasite found in human feces. Since May, the CDC has reported more than 10,000 lab-confirmed cases of cyclosporiasis nationwide. The Washington Post first reported Tuesday Missouri was among 6 additional states CDC has added to the outbreak. Publicly, the agency has only acknowledged 9 states, including Illinois, are part of the national outbreak. Per the agency, nearly all U.S. states have reported some cases. I'm Sarah Fenton.
U.S. Senator Eric Schmitt is leading an effort to repeal a 2009 Environmental Protection Agency policy that allows California to establish its own motor vehicle emission standards. It gives the state special authority to enact stricter air pollution standards than what is required by federal law. Republican senators, including Schmitt, are trying to overturn 4 EPA waivers in total. It would bar the agency from granting similar powers to any state in the future. According to the California Air Resource Board, the state suffers from some of the worst air quality in the nation. Lincoln University of Missouri has opened a new Health and Security Sciences Institute. As KBIA's Chris Sand reports, the institute's goal is to integrate healthcare, public safety, and emergency management education.
The $45.5 million facility will house Lincoln University's School of Nursing and act as a shared workspace for the Security Sciences Institute. University President John Mosley says the new initiative will benefit students seeking a more hands-on learning experience.
The amount of training that students and professionals will receive here, from the Emergency Operating Training Center to the nursing spaces to cybersecurity, the training that will take place will extend way beyond the classroom.
At the ribbon cutting Tuesday, Jefferson City Mayor Ron Fitzwater said this educational focus could ultimately lead to more jobs in Cole County. Classes will begin in the new building on August 17th. I'm Chris Sand, KBIA News.
Missouri saw a major decrease in sports betting revenue in June, despite FIFA World Cup games going on in the latter half of the month. Missouri Business Alert reports the Missouri Gaming Commission saw a 36% decrease in total taxable revenue compared to May. The number of wagers also decreased by 12% in June to 7.34 million. Experts say the introduction of prediction markets like Kalshi and Polymarket has slowly worn away the novelty of traditional sports betting platforms. I'm Trevor Grandin, KBIA News, Columbia.